Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make tenmusu. Ten from tempura, musu from omusubi, which is another name for onigiri. So it's onigiri rice ball with tempura inside. Today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp tempura onigiri. Let's get started. These are what you need. For the shrimp tempura part, some shrimp, I have 13 today. Half a cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon potato starch or corn starch, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon instant dashi soup stock. For the onigiri part, you need some cooked Japanese rice. I cooked it earlier today, so it's not too hot, but it's not too cold. It's like lukewarm. Some salt and nori seaweed. Let's make the dipping sauce or tempura first. 100 milliliter water, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon instant dashi. Bring it to boil and simmer for 1 minute to cook off the alcohol in the mirin. I don't smell the alcohol anymore, so the dipping sauce is ready. Let's turn the heat off. Let's make tempura. Remove the shell, but leave the tail and this last shell on. Like this, so the tail and the last one is on, but the other shell and legs are removed. And there is a spiky shell like this. Snap it off. To devein, prepare a toothpick and put it through at the back of the shrimp and gently pour it up. And you can pull the vein out like this. Or devein, so let's rinse and dry. Bend the shrimp backwards like this until you hear it snaps. Like this, so the tempura stays straight while it's being fried. Shrimps are ready, so let's make tempura batter. Half a cup flour, 1 teaspoon potato starch or corn starch, half a cup water. And mix it, but try not to over mix it. This is good enough. It's still lumpy, but this is good enough. I'm heating up some vegetable oil over medium heat. To check the temperature, drop some tempura butter into the oil. And if it hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, this is a perfect temperature. Let's remove the bits. Dip shrimp into the butter, other than the tail and the last shell. And gently put it into the oil. And fry them for a little over 1 minute on each side. Nice and crispy on both sides. Let's take them out. Tempura is ready, so let's dip them in the dipping sauce that I made at the beginning and then back to the tray. Let's cut the nori seaweed into onigiri size, so I'm going to cut it into 3 like this. Some nori seaweed all together, fold 1/3 in. Fold it back. Fold them in half. Fold them backwards. And cut. Nori seaweed has the front side and the back side, or shiny side and the back side. And you put the onigiri on the rough side, so the shiny side goes outside your onigiri, so it looks prettier. Using this bowl of water, wet your hands completely to the palm, but not too soggy. Put a little bit of salt on your palm and rub it all over. Take some rice on your palm. Not too much. If you have too much rice here, you will have chubby onigiri. Tempura in the middle. Make sure the tail is sticking out from the rice. Put some more rice on top. And using your hands, try to make it into triangle shape. And the tail comes to one corner of the triangle. Try not to squeeze it too tight to avoid having mushy onigiri. Like this. Let's put it on the nori seaweed with the rough side facing up. Like this. The tail is sticking out from the nori seaweed, and then fold both sides down. Tuck the bottom in, and tenmusu is ready to go. If making onigiri using your hand is too difficult, prepare plastic film. Put a little bit of salt in the middle, not too much. Put some rice on the salt. Spread it out a little bit. Tempura in the middle. Tail is sticking out from the rice. Put more rice on top. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. And wrap it using the plastic wrap other than the tail. Like this. And on the table, you try to make it into triangle shape. Flip it over to do the other side. Like this, remove the film. Nori seaweed on top with this rough side facing down. And pick up the onigiri with the nori seaweed. Like this, and fold this side in. Tuck the bottom in, and tenmusu is ready. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!